grades together, but each grade has its own finish. You can work together, but each grade will get their own result. We're doing 5 laps. Some of the course around this corner, just for your info, the last one I went round in, everyone that picked up gravel and tar, I had 2 different people with flats, and they all rode into that tar on the inside left as you go around the corner. So just eyes on that so you get a longer race.
Oh, hello, using one wheel.
Okay, riders, roll out. Good luck.
So the bell sounds, the last intermediate sprint here. Going on the chart there is the rider there, number 48.54, 48.54 and 56. Stage 1 of the tour of the South Coast, and then the B grade is going to be the rider there. Taking it out is Sam Greenwood. Sam Greenwood takes it out from Terence Thor. Terence Thor's second. And it's going to be Dan Peck that'll get up to third. Terence Thor's second. It's going to be Dan Peck. Presentations for those three shortly. So Dan Peck going across the line now in third place.
Yeah, feels pretty good. Had a good ride by the team, going 1, 2, 3, and they were nice enough to let me just take the stage win. So
now, let's be honest here. That was our most boring crossing across the finish line ever that we've seen for a long time.
yeah, we rode pretty hard on that last lap when it was just the three of us, so we're all knackered and just rolled across in the end.
Just rolled across. Looked like it was all predetermined. That's all right though.
Yeah. I was thinking who wants to win it, and Rudy's like, oh, you can take it, and so
Look,
I wasn't going to complain.
It's a 1, 2, 3. You can't complain. You
Yeah.
can't complain. It's what it is. But what was it like on the course?
It was pretty windy out there. Wind picked up a lot, especially in the last lap, so it'll make the time real interesting because I suspect the wind won't die down at all. So
Yeah. So you're going to get ready now for the time trial.
yeah,
Looking forward to the time trial.
sort of. Be a bit windy, but give it a crack. So
What are you riding on? Discs or deeps?
got a disc and probably run the price work in the front. So
Whoa, taking a little bit of a.
yeah, probably a bit game, but we'll see.
Okay, I'm not going to ask any questions. Just get straight into it.
So came second today behind Sam Greenwood. Well done to him. And then just behind me was Dan. We worked a three-man breakaway. So nice race, Sam and Dan. We worked really well together. And through intermittent sprints, we sort of shared the load. Like, for example, we all shared the points. So that was really good. And I think that was the key for us surviving, because there was a group, like 5 or 6 riders strong, that were just keeping us at bay. And I think, just after one of the sections,
What salt did you want on those chips? What salt?
Oh, chicken salt.
Chicken salt?
Yeah, that'll be nice. Yeah, thanks.
and we're rolling, and one of the sections, you know, we look and it's like, oh, they're right there. Shit, they're coming closer, and we finish that section, make a left turn, like, huh? Where'd they go? So I assumed that they were just attacking each other, and we just kept it steady until the last odd K, and then we started playing games in the last K, and I tried to just get rid of them, but nah, Sam was a bit too strong in the end, so got my podium, happy with that, and a good sort of handy lead for the time trial.
Hard right, 2 out. Ball! And it is Nicola McDonald. I told she'd out sprint them, and she's a talented young rider. Nicola McDonald takes it out. Second place to Dean Bradbury. Third place there to Sarah Gagani as they went across the line.
How did you go today?
Second, and Sarah got third, so we did pretty well.
You did very well actually, and we're watching you when you went on your breakaway. What was it like being on your own for that long?
It was hard.
Yeah. We were saying to each other that you're basically made out of helium, so you're going up that hill without any problems, weren't you?
Well, not any problems, but I think it's a little bit easier than for other people.
Some of the others. What do you think of the racing this weekend? Did you have a good time?
It's been really windy and really hard.
Chief Commissaire Karen O'Culligan sends it on their way. As we know, there's 3 hilltop sprints and 3 sprints here at the finishing line towards the sprint classification, and also bonus seconds towards GC. The 2019 Tour of the Southwest.
driving back home from Warrnambool, Tour of the Southwest was great. It's a great tour. Even better with the change in the course being in front of the general store. That was so convenient. That was probably the best move for the tour, for that tour this year. And the crit, of course, that stayed because that's just a staple of the Tour of the Southwest. It's great crit course. It's like as if the Teardrop had a really bad relationship with St Kilda, with the St Kilda crit circuit, and it just produced that. We'll go back to the time trial because I haven't done a post race for the time trial yet because it was really bad weather, and when we got home I was kind of hungry, so we just said, nah, let's just do it later on. I've got a bad silhouette right now. Who cares? So that happened, and I came second, so it was a good result. But I lost a lot of time to Sam Greenwood. Well done to him. He did an excellent ride as well. I think, I mean, I was just doing my best I could. But it was, as soon as it turned around into the last section, which was a massive headwind section, gusts were probably like 60 kilometers an hour, 45 kilometer an hour winds. It was really windy, and the 404s, I was just all over the shop with the 404s, and could barely control it. So I sort of lost confidence and lost speed, which sucked. But still came second, so happy with that. I had a bit to sort of bridge up to for this crit. 1 minute 43 down. I've got a good gap to third place. All I have to do is try and lap Sam Greenwood. I know, how hard does that sound? He has improved a lot over the winter, and he was riding really strong in the road race, so it was going to be a tough ask. And I know Dan Peck's pretty strong as well, so I was hoping maybe me and Dan could sneak away and lap Sam, but that wasn't going to happen today. Even though I gave it a cyclocross start, it wasn't enough, and we sort of matched each other really well. In the end of it, tried to gap them over the last time up the hill, couldn't do it, and they came around me, and it was Sam and then Dan, and they came first and second, and I got third. So it was fun. Wish there was more people that turned up. Yeah, you missed out. It was a really good tour, and I guess full steam ahead for the state championships, and a possibility for a South Gisborne road race as well. But I definitely want to make sure that I'm in good form for state championships in 2 weeks' time. Yeah, 2 weeks' time. Thanks for watching All About the Bike. With this series, you can keep up to date with my racing career, as well as my training and other cycling events. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and ring the bell so you can keep up to date with our latest content. You can follow me on Instagram, TJ_Hoare, you can follow me on Strava, TJ Hoare, and you can follow the Clique Online Facebook group. Thank you.